Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own website instantly using the Wijik AI. So this Wijik AI is an AI tool that will help you create your own website easily. So you can just open it in your browser, wijik.ai, and then after you log in or sign up and log in, you can just click on build your site in here, and then you can tell this Wijik AI about yourself. So for example, my job is, you can just choose which one. I'm going to go with content creator. And click on check icon. And now, have you created any website before? No. And then what brings you to Wijik today? So you can just click on this create new websites. What is your website for? Personal use. And now you can just here click on create unique websites now. So now you can tell this Wijik AI what kind of website that you would like to build. For example, in here, I'm going to just write portfolio for a content creator. You can click on send, and now it will progressing. Just wait until this finish. Okay, after this you can choose the website type and purpose. I'm going to go with this one, showcase my own work. Okay, so now let's decide a name for your website. I'm going to just go with, okay, this one, Santi Spotlight. Santi Spotlight, and then you can just send it again. Okay, I'm going to choose English for the language. Let's just wait. Okay, so now the Wijik AI is assembling my website. Let's just wait again. So here, this is my new website by Wijik AI. You can see this is the digital photography. You can see the whole website. I think it's look amazing. If you want to add it again, your website right here, you can just here click on chat to add it, and you can make some changes into the website. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.